Avoid hiccups by being proactive rather than reactive. Be proactive when talking with the referral source. Ask questions up front. Get information ahead of time. Decide whether or not you're going to take the case. Then document your role, expectations, rates, and deadlines. Another important tip for avoiding hiccups is to keep that line of communication open with the referral source before, during, and then after you receive that case. It's extremely important. Don't always email the referral source. Pick up the phone and call. There's sensitive information that you may want to discuss that really doesn't need to be in an email. This is Shelene Giles with FIG saying, avoid hiccups.